Alright, Call of Duty Mobile on a TechLife Pad Plus 12 inches LTE TechLife, and it's working properly. Settings, graphic settings is medium and high. That's the maximum graphic settings. For the multiplayer mode, let's go to the Battle Royale. Same then, high, medium. Graphic quality is medium, frame rate is high. Alright. Let's play first a multiplayer. Let's try the other games with ayaw. Let's go to core. Free for all. Let's try it. Lakas ng speaker niya. And I think it's on 60 FPS, I think. (15 seconds, 17 seconds. Alright, wow. Mukhang okay itong TechLife Pad Plus 12 inches for Call of Duty Mobile Pwede pang gaming. Wow, ang tagal. Nangyari. Ayun, okay na. Matagal yung pagpili ng ng game. So I think it's my internet. Medyo slow yung internet ko ngayong araw na to. Wow, grabe. Ganon din nag-load yung mga ibang Okay, so para siyang feels like 60 FPS. Grabe. Bakit ito yung stage? Hindi ko kabisado to. What the hell? Ang hirap nito sa malaking tablet. Ang laki ng controls Alright. Hala. Nice. Pwede pang Call of Duty. I think yung aiming, it's okay. Wala siyang gyro. Uy. Look kayo. Wala, eto na, rat-rata na. Uy, tinamaan ako. Ano ba yan? Tatanim ako ng stealth chopper. Ngayon nga pag sa tablet, medyo mabigat siya. Mabigat yung feeling. So, let's plant it here. So, oops. Tayo pupunta. Let's go my stealth chopper. May daan ba dito? May daan. Walang tao. Bahel. Saan yun? Grabe, nakakatakot naman. Oh, 20 na. Alright, nanalo tayo. Pwede pang Call of Duty. Oh, galing Ang lakas pa ng speaker. Grabe. Pwede. And let's try the Battle Royale naman yung next natin. Thank you. Alright. Pwede siya pang Call of Duty. Thank you, Gabantot. Ayan. Alright. TechLife Pad Plus 12 inches. Check it out, y'all. Astig.